In this video, we talk about Klaviyo's new pricing model that they already introduced last month, 18th of February, and how I saved this brand 3,306 euros in less than 2 minutes and how you can do it by yourself. I try to keep the video short as possible, okay? So, the new pricing model. The old pricing model, you paid the profiles you sent emails to. The new pricing model is you pay for all active profiles. It doesn't matter if you send an email to them or not. Okay, so usually you have here three numbers: all profiles, active profiles, and suppressed profiles. With the new pricing model, you pay exactly for these numbers of profile. The old pricing model was, for example, if you have 50,000 active profiles, but you only send it to 20,000 of them because your campaigns you usually send only to last engaged 30, 60, 90 days whatsoever. Depends on your open rate. And it was only 20,000 people, so you only paid for 20,000 people. So now they're active 52,000 people. So you pay for them. So list cleaning is more important than ever before. And there are two new rules you should know. So first of all, to make this clear, suppress doesn't mean delete profiles, okay? If you suppress these people, you just put them in the last corner of the room, you hide them under your blanket, you put them somewhere away, nobody sees them, but they are not deleted. At any time, even 5 minutes later, you can unsuppress them. But here it comes now the tricky part. With the new pricing model, they also introduced a new rule. You can see it here. I suppress for a customer 25,000 profiles, and you can see here, but you need to wait 90 days from the day you suppress them to suppress them again. What does it mean? So if you suppress now these 25,000 people and now it's coming Black Friday or Christmas or a special holiday per year, then you usually send to all of your list this email. Okay, it doesn't matter that the open rate doesn't matter on these days. But if you just now unsuppress all these emails and just blast out to all these emails now there's 1, 2, 3 campaigns and then want to suppress them again, Klaviyo says now, no, the next 90 days you can't suppress them again. Okay, so that's a very important rule you need to keep in your mind. And also upgrade your plan. Klaviyo will now automatically upgrade your plan. There's no option to prevent this. I mean, you can set it to none, but then when your list will go more up, your membership will be canceled. So actually, there is, in my opinion, no option. Okay. So if you have 50,000 profiles and you get another profile, 50,001, automatically the plan will for next month be upgraded. Okay. But there's a one-step solution for it. It's actually very, very easy. You set a task for yourself. It does. If you have a reminder, Trello, ClickUp, Monday, whatever you work with, you set just reminder for yourself or just an easy calendar entry. 1 day before your billing date, you can see it in the settings in the billing. When is your new billing? 16, 17, 18, 19, whatsoever. You create a segment, not a list, because a segment will automatically add and remove members when they trigger these filters or not. You just create this segment, okay? They can receive email marketing and placed orders 0 times overall time, so they never been a customer, because usually a customer you want to keep because they already bought. Then probably it's about somebody, so somebody it's created at least 120 days ago, so that means the profile is older than 120 days. Because for example, if there is a new user coming to the list today but didn't open an email, he would also go there because he didn't open an email in the last 120 days. So we want to have profiles that are older than 120 days, and we want to have here and didn't open an email 0 times in the last 120 days. Okay, then you create this list. Depending on your profile size, this can take actually some minutes. After this is done, you need to go back. You can't stay in the list. I don't know why, but you need to go back to your lists. You go then here to the 3 dots on the side and suppress your current members, and that's already it. Okay, that's actually what I did for this brand. You see, the brand was paying 600 euro a month. Then the new pricing model was introduced and they should pay next month 1,070 euros. So that's nearly double the money. So what we do, we created a segment, and you can see just bulk price was 25,000 profiles. And voila, here you go. They only pay now 790 euros. So they save nearly 300 euro every month more than 3,360 euros a year. If you want to have this a presentation and want to have exactly this list, just click the second link in the description or first link. And if you want to book a free audio call with me, because you see, oh my god, email marketing is struggling for me. There's so many rules I need to take care of. There's a new pricing model. I need to do this. That's the reason we are here. So you just book a free audio call with us and we gonna through your account, your brand, and see what I can do, what we as a team can do for you, and if we can help you or not. So yeah, I guess see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.